all of a sudden SPACs became mainstream finance. And it seemed like everybody and their mother was raising a SPAC. And like most products on Wall Street, the pendulum tends to swing too far in either direction. So in 21, 22, we saw IPO volumes that exceeded the entire history of the SPAC market to date. And frankly, back then, it was too bullish, too bubbly, and all you really needed to do to get a deal done was put a colorful slide deck in front of investors. And stocks were up 50% upon announcement, which was just crazy. From there, the market tends to naturally correct itself. And a lot of the rosy projections and overvalued companies that were getting deals done, because of the flexibility of the SPAC product, which we can talk about a bit, drove and led to underperformance for de-SPAC companies that didn't meet projections. And once that they were out there in the public realm, coming from a private company to public, there's obviously a lot more eyes on you, and you have to meet the promises that you promise to investors. And with that, there were way too many SPACs out there and way too many deals getting done that in all likelihood maybe should not have gotten done. And because of that, the de-SPAC performance suffered. And in 22, 23, as you had mentioned, 24, because of that, we saw a complete dearth in IPO activity, really as a result of the lack of de-SPAC performance. So sponsors weren't willing to put up the sponsor capital up front because they weren't getting rewarded that in the end. And target companies weren't performing well, so they were hesitant, to merge with a SPAC and go public. So from there, things have definitely normalized a lot. And we went from an overindulgence in IPOs and de-SPACs to an absolute dearth in activity.